a pleasure to be here. Hola, balance. Cartel sing a song for the rhythm here. Me know it fit my personality. But don't want to know what I'm saying? Rough cut, you ready? Hey! Unruly, we don't afraid of me. Popcaan, you know, hot time. So. Yeah. I want to see all my hard-working people in the house. Give me some signal. Working from 9 to 5. Gotta keep my eyes to bright. On the pay the money coming out of face, right? Are you ready for all that vibe? Turn me white again, working hard, working hard. Let me look in eye growth. All of it. Level, we can't steal like some oil. This is no what is. We no barber. Never watch our pace. Every day I got sound in our ears. We can't take the pressure every day. Flower race, scoring, make up a mind. Work, check up the sign. We take it one step at a time. Tell them what we say, we don't we take up no rain. Work for what you want. Unruly, working. Give me some mess, man. Give it up for rough cut. The baddest man. All I believe in themselves, do so. You have some boy believe in everything negative. I don't believe in themselves. Can I sing a new song for you? Entitled Greatness. All I say greatness in the year and beyond. Are you ready? Rough code. Greatness in the Jamaican. You just have to be patient. Hitting out with DNA. All who live for when the ends who have to be here. Greatness in the Jamaican. Balance me, come here, bad artist. What do you? St. Thomas.
What going on?
Me just jump out. The hell me a forward from. Me a tell you no. Wanna stay far from it. No. You hear me? Watch out. Greatness in the Jamaican. You just have a patient. Hitting out with DNA. All who live for when the ends who have a parent. Greatness in the Jamaican. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, we don't want to see jail cell. Balance, level. Well, we all about greatness. Something that for work out like bench press. Tell you about my dream like Nesbitt. Poverty like we don't, yeah, we have the escape. Hear everything what them say. Better when we make it them vex rather big. I been some pussy than big friend. Lucky now we all Unruly face. Greatness in the beer. Balance. We just explain to me about artists. Can I involve the ladies? Look how much woman in the face. Give me some for the ladies then, rough cut. Y'all know the style. Ladies, if you're beautiful, make some noise. Hey, hey, what's going on? My name is Laden. Unruly first. Let it sing. I'm feeling like, oh, I'm told you to know. A long time Jamaican to feel like, you know. Ladies, if you're beautiful, make some noise. That's me I talk about. Where you from? Balance. I want to pick on someone. Y'all smoke. Y'all want a high vibe. Listen melody. Listen girl. Yes baby girl. I really like you. Your pretty smile dreamy eyes so we could roll in cars. Over yes to me, I beg you sing. Wanna get familiar with you. I saw walk a million with you. Them song you grow them youth ya. Lyrics. Listen me no man, what's now? Wait a minute, girl me no. You not like man, no you're traitor. Well my crew there is no. The big ship we can sail out. So make we walk a little up a talker. And although you night dark a little, you and me, make the rest of the partner. Do you have me? Unruly first thing. Give me something else. Quick. Quick.
No, we never forget where we come from. No, we never regret where we come from.
Balance. Me have to big up Popcaan. Mr. Sutherland, big up your damn self. You never let down St. Thomas. Watch amongst ya. Represent where you come from. Born and born, but we run down at top. Give me an extra. It's gonna be my time to shine. St. Thomas, my time. When it's gonna be my time to shine. Rough cut, get there, yo! Don't play no. It's gonna be. I don't believe that themselves. Give me a wave before the ball. I'm Popcaan. You ready? Unruly face. Big Sama, you look at them. Love